Hello friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm here with my flight instructor and we're going to be showing you around how to do the Cessna 152 checklist. So make sure you stay tuned and enjoy the full video.
Hi Captain, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
So today we fly as usual. We have to use our checklist. So that's the checklist of the Cessna 152, the plane that we're going to fly today.
Yep.
And we have to follow all the checklists. So we start here with the preliminary. So, we check if the aircraft is unobstructed for taxiing.
Okay.
If there is any fuel, oil or hydraulic spillage on the floor. In the case of the winter, we check if there is ice and frost removed for the aircraft surfaces.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Tie down, pitot cover, external control locks, covers and shocks removed and stow. Okay. So we start from the preliminary in the cabin. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go inside. You can go that side.
Okay.
Go the other side. So here we are on the preliminary checklist. So in the cabin we follow the control lock, cover, remove and stow it. So we control lock.
This is the control lock?
Yeah, so you remove.
Okay, remove, done. Stow it at the back.
On the back.
Done.
And the pitot cover, as you can see outside.
Okay. So pitot cover stowed as well.
We carry on with the magneto switch. So both are off and the key is removed.
Yep.
Parking brake is on.
Okay.
Okay, so and the master switch, we're gonna turn on the master switch.
Okay.
And then we're gonna check the rotating beacon is here.
Okay.
Pitot 8. Landing and nav lights. Landing, nav lights.
Okay.
And strobes. Okay. And now we get the opportunity with the battery on to as well check the operation of the flaps and the symmetry and set full down. Okay. So 1, check outside, visual, 2 and 3. Okay.
Okay. So flaps fully down.
So now we check the radio nav and is off.
Check. Yeah.
Okay. The fuel cock we check is on, so that's the position here, on and off.
Okay.
So that's horizontal, and if it's off, it's vertical.
Okay, I see.
Okay. So we set it off, on, and now we're going outside, and we're gonna check all the landing lights are they are working properly. Okay.
Yeah.
So we come here to the nose of the plane and we check that the landing light is working.
Yep.
The beacon is working as well, as you can see on the top of the pin.
Yep.
And we're going here and we check the nav light that is red on the left and the strobe is working.
Yeah.
And we carry on.
You can see the beacons working up there.
You can see the beacon and as well the light on the back.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
We carry on, caution with them. And then here we go. The nav light.
Okay,
on
so
the
right is green and
green and the strobe light.
Okay. Yeah.
And then we're gonna come back to the cabin.
Okay.
And we're gonna switch off the battery immediately now.
Okay.
Okay, and switch off the lights.
Okay. So what was the reason we turned the lights on and off?
Before we're going to fly, we need to check if we got all the landing, all the lights properly working.
Okay. I see. Okay.
It's mandatory that we have the beacon is working, as well the nav lights, as well the landing light and the light on the back of the seat.
Okay, so that's the importance of
Exactly, the importance of the lights. Okay?
Yeah.
So it's a no-go if we don't have the lights properly working.
Okay, I see.
Okay? Right, now we carry on with the trimmer. So we operate to full forward and full aft and check the correct sense, and then we set neutral. So we hold here and on the control column, and you're gonna see that's neutral now, and I'm gonna move backwards, and you're gonna see that the trim is moving. Can you see it?
Yep, I can see it's moving down.
Yeah, moving down. Now it's gonna move in opposite direction.
Now it's gonna move up.
So it's gonna move up.
Yep, I can see.
Yeah.
Yep, it's moving up.
So it's moving in the correct sense, and now we set on
neutral.
Okay.
Okay. And then okay. So
now
that's the trim done.
The trim is neutral, and we check the first aid kit. So it's here.
Okay.
Okay. And the fire extinguisher is here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So we start the external precisely here in this position on the port and the carriage. Okay. So we check the leg and the fairing, and if it's undamaged and with the general condition. Okay. Okay. We check the tire, if it's undamaged, and the inflation and the creep and the marks align. So as you can see, the line is aligned with the nut.
Okay. So this is the red line. What if it's not aligned, then we do?
Well, it's a no-go. It means like the tire is loose.
Okay, I see.
Okay. Then we check the hydraulic line. You check the general conditions, the joints and the leakage. So that's the hydraulic line here. Okay, so we check if it's properly tied. There is no leak around. Okay, the joints and the general condition.
Okay.
Okay, the disc brake. So we check for pitting, wears and cracks, so everything is properly, and then the wheel nut if it's secure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's all secure. Let's turn the page over.
So turn the page and back to the port wing.
Okay. So so what side is port and what side is?
So this is the port.
So the left one is port.
Yeah, and the other side is the starboard.
Okay.
Okay. So port left side, starboard
on the right side. Okay.
Okay. So starting for the strut, so we check the general conditions and secure.
Okay.
So we check here if this screw is properly tied, or around here is missing any screws. And then we carry on for the flap.
Okay.
So we check damage, linkage and tracks. So we go in this way and we check all the linkage are properly
secure.
Okay.
Okay.
And we come back to the aileron. Okay. And we move the aileron so it's free and correct. And we check inside if the linkage are properly
secure.
Okay. And one caution that never put your finger there.
Okay.
Okay. The reason is because for any reason might be a gust and your finger should be stuck there.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we carry on, and we're going for the wingtip.
Okay.
And the general condition, we already checked the navigation light and the security and the color.
Yep.
Okay. The wing surfaces, so we come back here and can see the surface, if there is any dent, and in general all the over condition.
Okay.
Okay. Back to the leading edge. So we check if no indentations or fractures.
Okay.
Okay. Pitot head is clear. Okay. So you can see that the pitot it should be clear here.
Okay.
Okay.
Just in case there might be icing around it.
Well, and particularly on this time of the year, we're talking about spring, summer. There is always mosquitoes and flies. So sometimes they might get in, and it is a trouble.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. After we check the stall warner, okay.
Yep.
We're gonna check the fuel tank. Okay.
Yep.
Well, before I check the fuel tank, because this is the first flight in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna drain the tank. Okay? The reason is to check if there is any condensation.
Okay.
So basically, if there is any condensation during the night, might be some water inside.
Okay.
So we check here if there is any water, as well sediments. Okay. And we look outside and see, as you can see, it's properly clear.
Yep, it's
if
clear.
there was water here, there was bubbles.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And the sediments as well is easy to see.
Okay.
So we're gonna check visual the fuel tank, and now we're gonna make it using a fuel dipper.
Okay.
Okay. So this fuel dipper provide you indications about how much gallons usable the plane got. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna dip, put the finger there, and then I bring it back. Okay.
Okay.
And then I just dip, put the finger, and back, and we got almost 12 gallons usable.
Okay.
So it means like the tank is full.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Close the cap. Just be sure that should be aligned with these lines.
Okay, red markers.
Okay. Right. The propeller, the front fuselage, and the engine.
Okay.
So the port calling. So we check properly secure. So all the screws are there. And static vent is clear. Windscreen looks clear, a little bit with mosquitoes. We should clean before. Okay. So before fly, we're gonna pass here a little bit to clean the windscreen.
Okay.
And we carry on for the nose leg. So we check the general condition of the nose leg, like the hollow extension, and should be approximately between 2 to 3 inches here, the whole deal.
Okay.
Okay? And the torque linkage and the nuts and the split pins. Okay? So everything looks okay.
The red markers are aligned as well.
The red markers are aligned. Okay. And we carry on with the front of the cooling. Okay. So check properly secure, intakes clear, and the landing light that we already checked. Remind you that sometimes have a look inside, because normally the birds like to do some nests here. Okay. And then we carry on with the propeller and the spinner. So we check the general condition, the security, and in particular the leading edge and the tips of the propeller. Okay. So apparently everything is okay. The spinner, all the screws there. And we carry on with the starboard calling. Okay. So properly secure, and check here the oil contents. Okay, so I'm gonna open. And normally the oil should be between 6 and 4. And now as well you can on the back on the bottom.
Okay. And
then we carry on starboard wind.
Okay.
So we check the fuel tank.
Yeah. So we check the fuel tank for both wings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Leading edge, no indentations or fractures.
Uh huh.
So we come all the way. The wing tip. General condition, the lines were working properly, and these actually the same. So we check here the alloy, free and correct them things, and we check the linkage side.
Okay.
And we carry on here
Uh-huh.
with the flaps, and we check as well all the linkage.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And we check the structure as well, the same as before. So we check the screws there, and here the screw is stuck,
And it's
and
tight.
then we're gonna drain as well on this side.
Okay.
So again, it's completely clear.
And
we carry on with
so we put the
starboard and the carriage.
Okay.
So the lag is undamaged and is in general condition. The tire is undamaged, the inflation is okay, and the creep and max line are okay.
Okay, so you can see the red mark on that. Okay. Yep.
So the hydraulic line as well, there's no leaks. Okay, the disc brake. So there's no cracks, no, and the wheel nut check if you secure it as well.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, and now we carry on, mind your head, carry on with the starboard fuselage.
Okay.
Okay. So surface general all over condition. The aerials secure and damaged, so we got just on what displayed one aerial. The door in the window secured and operational.
Okay. So you can see the door is secure. Yeah, secure.
And now let's come back to the tail. So the starboard tailplane, security and conditions, no indentations or fractures.
Okay.
Okay, so and starboard elevator, undamaged and linkage secures. So we got one linkage there, and then we check as well the trim tab.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah. And the fin fairings, the beacons, so already checked. Aerials, next to aerials here, secure and undamaged.
Yeah, check.
And the rudder, we check the hinge and the linkage secure and undamaged. Okay, we check that cables there. And he's moving.
Oh.
Correct. Free movement. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we carry on with the port elevator. We check the linkage as well. Free and correct movement. And the port So we check if there is no fractures, if it's secure. And we carry on with the port fuselage.
Okay.
So the surface is all good in general condition, and aerials, one there, and the door hinges, window secure and operational.
Yeah.
And the windows clean inside and out. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And that's it. That's
Okay.
the external
Checklist complete.
checklist complete.